welcome back to Happy Mommy Makeup. Today we are doing a Boxycharm unboxing. Let's go ahead and open this up. And this month's theme is Fresh Start. We're going to take a look at this guy first. This is the Farmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer with Moringa and Papaya, and this retails for $38. Right. This is what the packaging looks like. It's a nice glass packaging. I did get a Farmacy eye cream and a Boxycharm a while back. I absolutely love it. So. Smells really good. Okay, so put this on the face. I like the texture of that gel moisturizer. And it does smell really good. I like the smell of it. And the next thing in the box that we're going to take a look at is going to be this little guy down here. This is the Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Baume Glow Lip Mask. And this retails for $25. Okay, it smells like apple. So you're supposed to use this overnight. It's a lip mask. So I'm just going to apply it just to show you. I'll leave it on for a little bit. Not too sticky. I like it. The next thing in the box we're going to take a look at is this right here. This is the Violet Voss Follow You Forever Eyeshadow Palette. And this retails for $34. Alright, so let's take a look. Look at these gorgeous colors. Alright. I'm gonna prime my eyes. I had the girls help me choose some colors. So Hayden chose Endless Desire. I'm gonna put that in my crease. I chose Charmed. I'm going to put Charmed on the outer corner of my eye. Skyline chose All of You. I'm going to apply that with my finger. Very pretty. Sparkle. Very pretty shimmer color. I'll take a little more of Charmed and just deepen that outer corner a little bit. Take that brush that I use for Endless Desire and just blend a little bit better. All right, I'm gonna go do the rest of my face makeup, and then when I come back, we will finish the eyes and get to the last two products in the box. All right, now to finish the eyes. I'm gonna put Charmed on the lower lash line. I'll focus mainly on the outer corner. And lightly sweep it in. And I'm gonna get a little bit of Endless Desire and sweep it on top. For the inner corners and the brow bone, I'm going to use Lovebird. Alright, and then for the next thing in the box, we're going to get this out. This is the Qveen or Qveen Studio Dragon eyeliner duo, and this retails for $28. So we have a pencil and liner. Right. Apply this on my waterline. And I'm going to do a wing. I'm not the best at doing wings, but that applied very easily like that. All right, so then the last thing in the box I'm going to take a look at is this guy here. This is the Avant Skincare by Face Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water, and this retails for $90. Whoa. So I'm not going to use it right now because I just applied my makeup, but I will leave a clip right here showing you how well it takes off my makeup later. After adding everything up, the retail value of the whole box is $215. So that is amazing. I absolutely loved everything in this box. I'm excited to try out these guys a little bit more, and of course try this thing out. And these just applied so well. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye!